How to fix Baldur's Gate 3 not launching on Windows. Fix 1. Shut down all background apps via WTM. Fix 2. Launch Baldur's Gate from the bin folder, as admin. 2.1 Run the bg3.exe for Pukin, or bg3_dx11.exe. For dx11 at Steam /steamapps/common/Baldur's Gate 3 /bin. 2.2 Enable disable full screen optimization option, and set a Windows 7 or Windows 8 compatibility mode. Uncheck the override high DPI scaling behavior option under change high DPI settings. Fix 3, update the graphics. Driver updater in this video guide. Fix 4, switch to DX11 by choosing DX11 in the play menu. Fix 5, check game files. 5.1 Launch verify integrity of game files in Steam. 5.2, GOG Galaxy. Fix 6, lower down your screen resolution. Fix 7, perform a clean. Fix 8, install/repair Visual C++ files. Fix 9, replace. Baldur's Gate 3 folder. 9.1 Backup current in-game settings at documents /Larian Studios /documents /Larian Studios. 9.2 Unzip this download at https://www.dropbox.com/s/jhb4QOOPMM1QEQ/bg3_doc_418263559.zip?d l=1 into documents/Larian Studio. Note, the graphic settings.lsx file in the zip file has been set to 1280x720 windowed mode, very low quality preset, and low audio quality, which you can change accordingly.